So I would usually pick a custom HTML engine, but with the load time I have here, Unity project is just faster to set up. My engine is good for quickly making simple games, but it takes longer to set up, so it would just be a waste of time. Unity, it is done. Now I want to do some Zen themes, so I guess I'll be using this sprite sheet. Probably. Yeah, well, let's add him to the credits. Not gonna start the clock yet because doing the game design and docs, it doesn't count according to the rules, as far as I understand. So who do we have here? I think I'll be using this thing. So it's much simpler to write the credits right away than chase after them later. Sickly Seraph. Okay. Yes, I can copy the license link as well. There. No. I didn't use this website in a while. How do you even download? I guess I can just right click download. Oh no, there it is. Graphics, yeah, sure. Yeah, organization is everything. Did I really lose file name here? Flowers. I'd also add this to quick access right away. In Unity, I prefer to keep everything in resources folder because that's a requirement to dynamically load them during runtime, and you never know if you'll end up needing that. Alright, it didn't work with sprites in a long time in Unity, but okay, filter mode should be point. I guess sprite mode, multiple. Right. Okay. It's a 3D project, so I didn't download the sprite package. By the way, yes, this is work. I'll start counting. I kind of cheated a few minutes there. Hmm. Which one is just the sprite thing? Sprite shit. To this sprite. Okay. Install. Nothing crashed. Cool. So can I now do it? Alright. Cell size. The page for this asset said 32, but this is this zoomed in or what? I don't trust Unity anything. I'll need to load this in GIMP, whatever it's called. Alright, what do we have here? I guess this is really 32 by 32. Alright, looking good. What else is there? Pivot. I think it should be center. Okay, apply. Flower 0. I guess this will be the sprite name. Or whatever. I don't care. I don't care. I think that's it. Yeah. Mm. What if I just drag this thing over there? Just to make it an animation. Do I want that yet? I don't want to be able to access every flower type by frame. But I'm not sure if I really need it. Here, whatever. Okay. Is this like a billboard automatically? I didn't use 2D in Unity in a while. How does it work? Just go 0 body. What you doing all the way there? Alright, yeah, it is billboard. Look at it change all the colors. Maybe I keep it like that, keep it psychedelic. I don't know, sounds like a bad idea. It should be a calming game. Calm you down. Alright, that's it for how much time have I murdered? 7 minutes. That's a lot. I need to come up with a gameplay. What do I want the flower object to be? Let's create new. Empty. Let's parent this there. Okay. Folder first. Organization is everything. Need to stay organized. Okay. Just what? I didn't even need it. Right. I mean, I did add the getting alright, and it's all fine, classical thing. Okay. Because Unity crashes a lot and it can also mess up the project, like make it rip. So storing everything in Git repo is a lifesaver. Now, I sure hope Visual Studio is set up. "2019, beautiful." Looking good. No, we must not update under any circumstance. How much time did we murder? 11 minutes. Not bad, not bad. Was translate deprecated? No, not yet. Want it moving towards the camera. I don't know what the speed should be, whatever. It didn't recompile anything, whatever. Oh, it moved too fast. Nice, small number. Alright. Let's keep it 1 for now. Give us time to... It should be a relaxing game. I don't know what the gameplay will be about yet. But it's definitely not gonna be flashing. Flashing colors. Huh. Right, I did Google previously the code for picking the exact column. Sprite renderer. Wait, how does this costume work again, man? I'm out of touch with... Get components. How did this work? Alright, sprite render. I remembered. But it's not here, it's down the child. I had it doing reloading domain. It's not here where the script is, it's down there. Get component in children will do. Yeah. Might even change this to flower render. So huh. This will work if it dynamically loads. All the flowers. Hmm. No. Oh man, this is JavaScript example. That's bad. What is the type of thing? Huh. How is this guy doing? Sprite render. Yeah, I don't think he knows what he's doing. Only 6 years old. Topic, not bad. Hmm. So, what's the path? Images, flowers. Now, I'm never sure if you should add file type, but Unity is weird like that. I wouldn't be surprised if you need to add file type, even though it doesn't show the file type here. The extension. Mm. Flowers. I think that should do. And then assign a random one. That would be great. It can't be just any. We can't use these bad ones. What's the deal again? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 rows, 11 columns. We don't want these ones. And then later I can throw out these ones as well. This is still experimental. How does random work in Unity again? Range. Whoa. Inclusive. Okay, they're both inclusive. That should do it for what was it? Column. Here we have 0.5, right? Yeah. And then I guess you can assign right is flower sprites column plus row. Okay. Plus R&D row times how many there actually are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14. I guess that's it. Now, does it have animation? It does. Will it still render sprite if I turn it off? The animator? Whatever, we'll see what happens. Okay, it picked a random one. Or is it the first one? Maybe it didn't do anything. Yeah, looks like it doesn't do anything. It's just that the animation is off. So this does not work. Why? I mean, I did change the sprite. Oh, the error. Out of range, typical for arrays. How is the raw not times 14? There is 14 in there, right? Hmm. What the hell? Or maybe just try and keep it smaller. Or maybe this doesn't actually work at all. It doesn't load all. I'll debug that later. Mm. Last. So I guess only 0 exists. It did not actually load all the sprites. That doesn't work. The solution from 2018. No. Okay, it turns out this array is empty entirely. Is the path correct? Images, flower, Andrew. Oh no, it's lowercase f. Damn it. Damn it. Dynamic loading bullshit. Runtime. Huh, seriously? Hmm. Okay, what? Oh, wait. Yeah, this does return array of sprites. What's the issue? Log what? Alright, will it cast array to string if I do this? I don't remember. Yeah, but it just gives the type. Okay, length is 0. Why? Why doesn't it catch all the things here? Maybe I was wrong about this. I don't know anymore. Oh, I was wrong. You don't need extension. Alright. Back. We're back. How much time did we waste? 30 minutes! It's a 3-hour jam. I wasted too much time. Okay, we got our first yellow flower. It's a nice random. Yeah, no, it's orange. No, it's yellow. Whatever it is. Alright. Now, what will the game actually be all about? How is it gonna be calming? I need a spawner for these flowers. They should spawn further away, like 30Z. 30Z. Ah, kind of too slow. I mean, too far. Is it too far or too slow? I don't know until it gets nearer. Wait, why did I set it to 30? That's way too much. 10 would do. I need to remove these ones with the stem. But of course they're at the very middle. So need some algorithm or something. Okay, I'll switch to game design mode, which doesn't count for time limit. Yeah. So I'll just sit here and think what the game should be about. I also wanted some negative thoughts icons to to represent negative thoughts that we want to run away from during our 5-minute break into meditation, which is what the game is really about. Let's look around. This should also be like 32 icons. Where are they? Some monster. To the art. This should be sprites. Hmm. Do I really want to bother animating them? I don't think so. What do we have here? Don't know. No. No, what I would really like is a sprite sheet. For each frame is like an individual monster. That would be great. Like an atlas. Maybe I should type monster atlas. Nope. What the hell is this? I'm just curious. 16 times 16. Floating eye, maybe. There could be floating eyes floating around. Okay, no. Are these even monsters? They look like ingredients for alchemy. Okay, items meant to represent stuff a monster would drop. Where are you? I mean, I can draw this myself in 5 minutes. Probably. What's this? Monster pack. It could be, it does look spiritual, demonic in a way that it could have something to do with this game. I think I'll use this. So let's document where I got it. Ah, shit. Emoji games. License CC4. Okay. One thing I'm curious about, can Mozilla read MD files? Is there like a markdown reader? No. Oh well. Okay, now for downloading and importing into the game, I will turn the timer back because that is an actual work. Which one was it? Where's the monsters? Alright. Which one do I want? Just some nasty, like, psychological looking. Start with this. Air Monster 003. Oh, wait, is attribution wrong? Oh, this guy just repainted what this person did. It's just a repaint. So do I actually need his repaint? I don't think I do. So attribution goes to Emerald or Heather Harvey. Guess I'll pause this thing again. What does she have? Some interesting stuff. Oh, I remember this one. I was looking into it before. Wanted to use it for an RPG. Of course, clearly. I don't know, is this too high res? Okay. I'll need more time to think. We'll take a break. And we'll let this thing play in the meantime. I'll be back later. Thinking maybe there shouldn't be monsters at all. Maybe the player should just follow the trail of flowers. Eh, nah. It's hard to do. Now, turning on the timer, let's set some particles. Particles. Mm-hmm. More relaxing, within longer duration. Or is it lifetime? What do we have right now, I wonder? Some Disney crap. Not good, not good. If I'm ever gonna use this emitter, it's gonna be cone shaped and only emit on the shell. How do you do that again? Aha, emit from like base volume. I think this should be pre-warmed. Good. I need some better graphic for this. I need like a bubble or whatever. Unless something exists right here. Okay, maybe I won't need to draw the damn thing. What is this? Is this what it should be? Probably. I mean, it's kind of bad it has this line. Whatever, let's give it a try. Let's rename it as shall be now called Bubble. Let it be transparent. Okay. How do I set that to be a particle? Renderer. It needs material, right? Okay, let's make material. Uh, the which one was it the best one? I mean, Unity, why? It should not be. Where are all the legacy things? Hmm. Yeah, I think this will work. I need to do something. Cut out. Cut out. Cut it out. Alright, that's it. Come on, particle renderer. I'm wasting enough time. What do we have? Oh my god. An hour and 15 minutes. Okay, will it work? Alright. What about in the game? Does it even look good? It looks horrible, but it actually looks really bad. Yeah, I don't know how calming this is, you know. Game should be calming. 5 minutes of break from whatever. Can this be like more transparent or something without me editing the... Oh, whatever, I'll just edit the image. Why not? Does it have to be cut out? Wife. Okay, that's bullshit. What if I just do the following? Hey art girl, thank you for your offer. I don't really need any custom artwork right now, or at least I can't think of any reason why I should need it, unless you have some ideas. Okay, how to make this transparent? Will will this make things better? Yeah. More transparency. No, I don't need to save this, but I don't even know if I need to re-import. It looks like I did it automatically. Is there any change? Yeah, I think it's more transparent. I'm not sure how that's helping. I mean, when the flowers are too small, the bubbles are just annoying. So maybe make bubbles smaller or bigger. You know what, Art Girl? I think you have my Discord already and you have contacted me already. But I just can't think of any reason I need art right now. Bubbles, why not? How do you scale up the particles? Huh. Don't understand these values. Start size might be what I was looking for. Is this actually better for some reason? It's too fat now. Okay, I'm spending too much time on aesthetics. I only got like an hour and a half remaining for the game. I think I'll turn off the whole particle thing. Alright, let's just add some blurting. Oh. Mm. Four. Alright, I need to add some controls to rotate this. Pronto. Quickly, an hour and a half remains. Ah! There. The fuck just happened? Should we add here? No, not here. It's gonna be confusing because I call this thing a rotator. I can change it. Okay. Now for some actual controls. I'm gonna have to write some really ugly code. Hmm. Direction for going left or right. Return. How does the input work in Unity again? Get key down. Right. Key codes. Right arrow. Yeah. This is just about. No, it should be good. This is just about the worst way to do input in Unity, but we don't have time to do the whole new input system thing. Okay. All right. Mhm. Will this work now? Okay, going right works. Going left does not work. Well, going right works well enough. Why? Oh, great. Idiots. Okay, now it is confusing that since the flowers get scaled down to 0, like it's not clear how far they are. But who knows, maybe that's good. Okay, of course the movement needs to be faster. Also, I probably want to make a smooth transition there. Actually, I think I'll need to use at least the old input system, the axis. I'll do that now. Where is it? Project settings. Input manager. All right. So it should be, what was it? Get axis, yeah. Horizontal, which is a float, right? Yeah. Let's just call it text, whatever. Naming things. Then now just do this. AD or left, right. Then later I can play with making it more smooth. Alright, good for now. How do I make it slide more? I think it's about turning the snap off. Alright. Okay. Now what's next? I forgot what that. Oh no. I don't want to mess with that. Less gravity maybe. Make it more floaty. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Less gravity is more atmosphere. Okay. Because who knows, maybe that's good or something. Oh, right. That's bad. Yeah, I don't think I actually want physical representation of the player. Let's make it a first person game. So main camera will have like a collider there. Some sort of a collider. I shouldn't have deleted the cube. Which is not visible. Good. But it has a box collider, which is good. Alright, alright. Okay, I'll stop the stopwatch because it's a game design time now. I'm designing a game. I'm not working, I'm just playing with it. Wanted this to be about a Zen game about escaping bad thoughts, but I don't know if I really want to add bad thoughts into the game, especially as I have 1 hour and 20 minutes of work. Where's the particles? Do they still look bad? Yeah, they look bad. Okay, drop in alpha, that's good. Yeah, I'll bring the particles back, but I'll reduce alpha so they're not so annoying. How will this do? Still kind of bad. um, my settings saved? No, because I was changing them when it was in play mode. Okay, so no snapping, low gravity for the Zen feel. Okay, is it nice and relaxing? Hmm. I'll get the time moving again because I'm working again. Let's make it faster. The player rotation. It's too slow. Wow. Time is running out. How can I make a relaxed Zen game when the time is running out? Dreadful. Okay. But now I need to seriously pause, not do any work, but get into that game design mode. What should be happening in this game? Alright, back to work for a bit. Let's do collider thing. Oh wait, no, I need to credit the guy whose bubble it was. Odin. Not even sure if I'm gonna use it yet, but whatever. Yep. I have. Well, no, actually, I have 1 hour and about 15 or 20 minutes. But I have paused now because while you do the game design or you're writing documentation and things like that, that doesn't count. Only when you do the actual work, like make changes, coding and graphics and all that, which I'm not doing right now. I'm writing the docs. I'm crediting this person for this beautiful bubble. I mean, it's coming along nicely considering I haven't used Unity in a while, but uh, the thing is, I'm not sure what the game will be, like what the gameplay will be, because I started knowing what the gameplay will be, but then like I kind of changed my mind, or I'm still not sure what's the most elegant way to do it. So I keep like looking for a plan B, because the team is, yeah, I mean, it kind of is. But maybe I managed to make like some relaxing Zen game where the gameplay is not that important. I don't know. The team is a 5 minute break, and my idea was like have a 5 minute break from life. Like just 5 minutes of meditation where you avoid negative thoughts. So the gameplay was supposed to be about like negative thoughts spawning and you are avoiding them. But then I added these flowers for decoration, but then I was like, maybe you should be picking up flowers, but then like I don't know anymore. Like now I'm regularly, like now I'm stuck, but I'll figure it out because thinking about gameplay does not count into the limit. So it's paused now. I'm just thinking what to do. The issue is there's not much time to experiment. If I'm doing experimentation, then that's work. That's hours going. No. No. That's why I'm crediting the people here. You see, the flowers are made by someone else, and the bubble sprite is made by someone else. Like, if I was doing the graphics, then the time would... I would just lose all the time by now. Like, I wouldn't have time to program anything. It's a 3 hour jam, in case that wasn't clear. A bubble popping, Ah, well, Well, right now bubbles are particles. Like they don't have colliders. You can't pop them. They're just particles. But I mean, I could make them into objects and actual bubbles, and then you could be popping them. Why? You spend the bubbles on upgrades for more bubbles. The issue is implementing the upgrades feature. That's gonna be like, that's gonna take time. It's gonna take hours. Well, I only have 1 hour and 20 minutes left. I mean, depends how you implement them, you know. If you want a presentation to look nice and for the player to be clear, like that, what's going on, like, you know, programmatically, it's not an issue, but you need UI as well, and it needs to be clear what's going on. I mean, for a start, I mean, I can try if there is time left, but for a start, I could turn a bubble into object, make it pickable. I mean, poppable. Bubble, but what about flowers? Are flowers for nothing? Or are they just decoration? Damn. Hmm. Yeah, but if the flowers are more rare, then I wouldn't have this nice psychedelic effect. Which, you know, I'm still not sure if I want this to be like much of a game or just a relaxing thing. I don't know. Hmm. I think I might try to find some Zen music. I mean, yeah, yeah, that's true. But the time spent looking for assets is free, so I'm not losing anything by looking for music. And you know, if it's a Zen game, then some Zen music would do well. We can already see if it matches. Five-day, 5 game, eh? I'll check out the video now. Damn it. Wrong link. Wait. The video. So is this the one you made in 1 hour?
So absolute nightmare. My thing wasn't even recording. Like there was no sound, so you can just see me at the bottom right with completely unmatching sound, and we're just gonna have to get over it. I'm not gonna lie. But basically, I was just trying to say, I started a 5-day, 5-game challenge for no reason. I just set myself that challenge, and I thought, yeah, why not? So this was game number 2. Right, how did we get to game number 2? Okay, well, this is game number 2. Well, upon listening back, I was just talking a load of shit, but this is game number 2, kind of based it on Doom. There's like an upgrade thing at the bottom left. When you get to a certain score, you'll be able to upgrade your level. It just kind of goes on forever. I would add in some bosses and some other stuff and levels if I was going to continue it.
This is a
I might also polish up some of these
right?
games, but at the moment, I was just
don't worry,
doing it in a day and just setting it to whatever minimum product.
You did the graphics, I guess.
So this was game 1. It was like a Twitch integrated game.
This is game 1.
Before, so it's just a lot easier for me to make. So I went for like a golf Twitchy game. We got a 3D one in the process, but I just thought, let me make a demo in 2D for fun. So that's how it started. I'm not gonna play the whole thing. I don't even think I parted it. I have no sound from my voice, so we'll never know. But I was saying like, if you type R, that'll rotate it. So like minus R10, just did that. And if I did A, like A90, that would be facing left. A0 would be facing down. So it's just like, yeah. Anywho, so on to game 3. This is just like heavy weapon / like a normal shooting scrolly game. I thought I'd just give it a try, and then I realized I'm making way too many shooting
What did you
games,
use to make it
now? So we just continued and powered through with the shooting game. There's like seagulls that poo on you. I like the music I made for this one. I can't remember if there was music for Air Doom Survivors.
Good job. Alright, nice.
I'm not sure. Anyway, 3 different mobs, some power-ups that you get when you reach a certain thing. There's like a chest that you get that will give you like loads of gold, and that will level you up loads. Also, at this point, I realized like making the sound effects was fun and stuff, but you know, like when you're playing a game and you hear bop, 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 like even that was me. I
Yeah,
realized
cool,
that's actually
cool.
just budget saving. Obviously,
I
it
like
kind of was
doing
budget
that as
saving anyway,
well. I
but
like
it's just
creating
budget
as
saving.
many assets as
Game
possible.
4, I had no idea what to make, and I thought, what do people make?
But
when they
for
have
a
no idea what
3-hour
they make a
game, I
platformer.
don't
They're
feel
like, oh, I'm gonna make a game. So
comfortable.
they just make platformers. So that's what I went for. Platformer. That's a new genre. Yeah, not very good at it clearly, but this was the. I added in like a block, some punching stuff, some other bits and bobs, laser stuff or whatever. There's like keys you have to get through certain rooms, like this dive kick.
Oh, it's a big
which
guy.
is really useful for traveling in general. But yeah, evidently I'm not very good at it, but that's okay. You don't have
Is
to.
the red
be good at
danger? You
games
can't
make.
step on red?
Just
Ah,
have to
probably.
make them. You don't even have to make them. There is no rules. I got the key. The key. I got the key. Tried to get the other key, but I felt. Don't have the keys. I got the key. Game 5. That's just me demonstrating the blocking, by the way. And then game 5. So at the bottom
I
right,
mean,
there'll
it's
be me
simple
saying like, oh,
graphics,
this
but a
game's
proper
called
like fighting
Bad
game.
Mood, made in an hour and a half.exe. That is exactly what it is. Somebody on Twitch told me to make a puzzle game, so I just went for it. If you're wondering, that is weed growing in my little tent behind me with a pink bright light. But yeah, somebody said make a puzzle game.
This one
so I
you
just
done
thought of
in
this. I'd never actually played
hour
this.
and a
And
half.
I googled it, and it turns out it's called Lights Out, but I'd already made it. So it's an original game concept by myself. I probably have played that somewhere. I actually.
But you
don't
got the
know,
background graphics from someone else, of course.
I don't
but,
think I have, but it's just such an.
But
obvious
everything
concept
else
that it
you
clearly
made.
existed.
Alright, nice.
Yeah, music for this one's pretty cool. And that's about it. It's the end of my challenge. I think
Yeah,
set
it's
yourself some
look-
challenges.
it looked like
Maybe I'll
that.
get involved in some game jams too. People have asked me to do some game jam stuff and that, or they'll say they're waiting for this game jam and that. And I don't know, it's not really my style personally. I'd rather just get things done and sit around waiting for the rest of the world to start doing things. But each to their own. I think many people should start doing some challenges. So I look forward to the 10 viewers that watch this setting themselves some challenges, and hopefully I'll see them. Maybe you can even leave
Let
it
me just
in
do
the comments.
something.
There's no plural needed. But anyway, thanks for watching.
Alright, I'll sub, why not? With this other account I made for game dev, I'm yet to add videos there because Google is giving me nightmare with a phone verification thing, where now I'll wait 1 week, like until Tuesday, to try again, because they made it so complicated. Yeah, it's good to know what the game will be. I mean, I had some idea, but now I'm not sure anymore. This is the page, by the way. Not many people have joined, like 27. But they do one of these each week, and that's quite a lot. I'm surprised that this jam is still alive. But I don't think there's gonna be a lot of entries. We'll see. Because usually it's like 10% of all the people who of all the like of this number, like 10% of that is actual games that get submitted. But maybe these people are more hardcore, so they'll submit more. And it should only take 3 hours in theory. Huh. But still, let's try and get Dark Zone. What the hell is that? Yeah, I don't think it should be Dark Zone. think I'll just get this song into the game. Like, whatever. It's Zen. It'll work. Why is it taking forever to open the page? Did Open Game Art crash? There we are. OGG. Hmm. Beer Galaxy. Sure. Public domain. Alright, now to actually get it. Oh. Just call it music. Let the time go, because now I'm importing music that's actual work. Now let's just put it in there. I guess I can just attach it to anything and just make it play. Play on Awake. And I have to make sure it's not really a loop. Will it work? Alright. Maybe there should be like one flower missing now and then you have to figure out which one is missing and go through that, or otherwise you crash into a flower. I don't know, that's stupid, but might work. Stupid enough to work. Yeah, nah. I was trying to go, the way of spontaneous experimentation and see where it takes me, but yeah, now see that that's not a good thing for a 3-hour jam. Hmm. Those are some deep thoughts, yeah. True. Well, I mean, I don't know. It's okay. How many do we have? Per circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you use for artwork? Adobe Animate. So you're making animation. Oh, I have to set the timer on. So what you can draw in Adobe Animate? I'm not sure. I'm not very familiar with that program. I just use GIMP and I mean GIMP or whatever it's pronounced, and Blender, and that's it for art. Huh. I would not have guessed that you can use Adobe Animate for drawing. Let's see your screen. Are you drawing on the secondary screen? That's alright. It's good. It's nice and clean. I'm just not sure what the thing in the middle on the table is. Maybe an aquarium or a monitor from future. A loom. Huh. Let's see. All right, right. I think that's quite hard to do at this level of detail. Because you're using like a clean style with not many details. And well, it might work, I don't know. But you don't want to just grab AI images and put them in. Yeah. Let's see if gapping works. Are there gaps? Damn it. Yeah, okay, I'll pause the timer. So there's no issue looking at links. Mm. Yeah, of course, AI is not very consistent at all. It's like you have a new guy every time. But where you're trying to give it your sketches and then see if it'll make UI. Huh. This looks like a complex game. You're doing all that for a jam. An RPG, basically. We got stats. All these items. Mm-hmm. Yeah, cool. Maybe too ambitious for a gem game. I don't know. Can you do it all in time with the RPG elements and crafting and all that? All right. Oh, not for a jam. All right. I'm gonna do a thing where flowers don't disappear completely. Chat TDT. 125 sales is a good number. Considering, it's a first game and maybe you didn't had marketing. Right. I don't know anything about that. I know there are all sorts of interactive things with streamers and chat going on. But I don't know about games. Like, alright, 1 hour 53. Okay, I think I'll take a walk and think long and hard about what I'm gonna do with this game in the remaining 1 hour. And my dog needs to go out as well. But thank you for hanging out with me. I'll see you some other time, maybe. Thank you for hanging out. Bye.